Some of nature's greatest mysteries begin with a simple question. Why would an animal raise a baby that isn't its own? Across our planet, scientists have documented extraordinary acts of care that challenge everything we thought we knew about the animal kingdom. For many animals, motherhood ends at the boundaries of their own species. But dogs have shown the world that those boundaries can sometimes disappear. To her, these tiny lives are no different. She feeds them, protects them, and cares for them with the same devotion she gives her own puppies. When orphaned newborns have no surviving mother, wildlife carers sometimes rely on nursing dogs to give these fragile animals a chance to survive.
This remarkable instinct extends beyond domestic animals. In wildlife rehabilitation centers, mother dogs have even nursed orphaned tiger cubs.
From ducklings to rabbits and piglets, dogs have repeatedly formed extraordinary bonds with young animals that share neither their blood nor their species. Scientists believe powerful maternal hormones can override species recognition, extending the instinct to nurture. Powerful maternal hormones help create an intense drive to nurture, sometimes extending that care beyond the boundaries of species. To these newborns, family is not defined by appearance, but by love, warmth, and protection. But compassion from a family companion is one thing. Witnessing that same instinct in one of Africa's most formidable predators is another story entirely. But while kindness from a dog may seem familiar, compassion from one of Africa's greatest predators is something far more astonishing. Lionesses depend on successful hunts to feed their pride. Every decision in the wild is usually guided by survival. Across Africa's savannas, lions and antelopes share an ancient relationship, predator and prey. But every so often, nature defies its own rules. Researchers have documented several rare cases. Lionesses temporarily adopted young oryx calves instead of attacking them. In a handful of documented cases, lionesses have spared vulnerable antelope calves, displaying a behavior that continues to puzzle wildlife scientists. Some lionesses have even been observed protecting these calves from other predators, replacing instinctive aggression with an extraordinary act of care. Scientists believe maternal hormones may temporarily override hunting instincts, though the exact reason behind these rare encounters remains uncertain. These unlikely bonds rarely last. Soon, nature returns to its familiar rhythm, leaving behind one of the wild's most remarkable mysteries. Whatever drives these extraordinary moments, they remind us that nature is often far more complex than simple rules of predator and prey. If compassion can appear among Earth's greatest predators, what happens beneath the ocean's surface may be even more extraordinary. Beneath the ocean's surface, dolphins are celebrated not only for their intelligence, but also for their remarkable acts of protection. Researchers have documented dolphins supporting distressed whales, helping them remain at the surface long enough to breathe. When one of their own is injured or exhausted, dolphins have been observed working together to keep it close to the surface. In rare documented encounters, dolphins have formed protective circles around vulnerable animals threatened by sharks. Scientists believe their strong social bonds and advanced communication may help explain these extraordinary acts of cooperation. The same teamwork that helps dolphins protect one another may also explain why they sometimes assist animals beyond their own species. Not every rescue succeeds, but these rare encounters remind us that cooperation in nature can cross the boundaries of species. Whether on land or beneath the waves, nature's instinct to care can appear in the most unexpected places, and sometimes even a bird becomes an unlikely foster parent. For most birds, every meal, every flight, and every sacrifice is devoted to raising their own young.
But one bird has evolved a remarkable strategy. The cuckoo secretly lays its egg in another bird's nest. The cuckoo's egg often closely resembles the host's, making the deception difficult for the foster parents to detect. Unable to recognize the deception, the foster parents continue feeding the growing chick as if it were their own. Scientists believe the chick's loud calls and wide-open mouth trigger an irresistible instinct to feed. Driven by instinct, the foster parents continue feeding the chick hundreds of times each day, never realizing it is not their own. Though they raised another bird's chick, the foster parents fulfilled their instinct with remarkable dedication. Even when nature is built on deception, the instinct to nurture can remain stronger than the ability to recognize the truth. The instinct to care isn't limited to birds. Deep within the rainforest, our closest relatives reveal compassion in unexpected ways. They also display remarkable social bonds and compassion. In rare documented observations, great apes have shown gentle care toward young animals from other species. Rather than rejecting the infant, the ape's behavior suggests curiosity, tolerance, and, in some cases, protection. Compassion begins within the troop. Grooming, comforting, and cooperation strengthen relationships that can last a lifetime. Among great apes, sharing food and comforting vulnerable individuals are important parts of complex social life. Researchers continue studying these rare behaviors to better understand empathy and social intelligence in great apes. These moments remind us that compassion is not uniquely human. It has deep roots within the natural world. Across forests, oceans, and grasslands, one question remains. Why does this happen at all? To understand these extraordinary acts, we must look beyond behavior and into the science that drives it. These extraordinary stories may seem impossible, yet each has been observed in nature, raising one fascinating question: why? Scientists believe maternal hormones help trigger powerful caregiving instincts, sometimes extending beyond an animal's own offspring. Across the animal kingdom, the instinct to protect vulnerable young is one of nature's strongest survival strategies. In highly social animals, cooperation strengthens survival. Sometimes, those caring instincts may extend farther than expected. Many questions remain unanswered. Scientists continue studying these rare encounters to better understand animal behavior. Whatever the explanation, these rare moments remind us that nature is often more compassionate than we expect. Every discovery reminds us that the natural world still holds countless mysteries waiting to be understood. Every place has a story. Subscribe for a new wildlife documentary every week and keep exploring the wonders of our planet.